Open on the marvels of the human body, a symphony of cells and systems. A prime example, the intricate dance of wound healing, a process that's been revolutionized by the power of DNA and oligopeptides. Dive into the microscopic world within us. Picture DNA, the blueprint of life, now being harnessed for promoting wound healing. It's not science fiction, but science fact. DNA molecules are being used to accelerate the healing process, reducing the risk of infection and minimizing scarring. Now imagine oligopeptides, tiny proteins stepping into the spotlight. They act as messengers, triggering cell functions vital for repair and regeneration. Witness the transformative healing stories of countless individuals who have benefited from this groundbreaking approach. Hear their tales of recovery, faster and smoother than they ever thought possible. This is the power of DNA and oligopeptides, a testament to the wonders of science and the incredible resilience of the human body. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay amazed. The future of wound healing is here, and it's as extraordinary as the world within us.